Morning everyone. Today we are discussing one important question. A is a set of factors of 24. B is a set of factors of 30. Then find A union B and A intersection B. First I am writing factors of 24. Factor means a number which exactly divides the given number is known as factor. Factors of 24. 1 into 24. 24 can be written as 1 into 24. 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6. These are the factors of 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24 are factors of 12. This is A. Here set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and last one 24. Next I am finding factors of 30. 30 is equal to 1 into 30, 2 into 15, 3 into 10, 5 into 6. These are the factors of 30. So B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and last one 30. Therefore, first one A union B. Union means all elements. What is A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Union. What is B? 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Union means all elements. If they are repeated 2 times, we write only 1 time. 1. Here and here, we write 1 time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 24 and last one 30. This is A union B. Next, second one A intersection B. We are writing 2 sets. 1, what is A? 2, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Intersection B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Intersection means common elements. Same elements in both the sets A and B. Same elements. 1, 2, 3. Common elements. 3. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. No, this is completed. A intersection B equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. I am repeating this question. A is a set of factors of 24. B is a set of factors of 30. Then find A union B and A intersection B. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. B equal to 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. A union B. Union B means same elements. All elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Union B. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Union means all elements. Union A union B means the elements which are in the set A and or set B. A union B means the elements which are in set A or set B. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 5 here 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 24 and 30. A intersection B. Set A intersection set B.